paid for 5 Nights at Freddy's, not 5 Nights at Kraken Jax's. Well, you see, FNAF got unpopular in like 2021. So we decided to make this. So what's the point? Point is that you're supposed to be scared of me and I'll jump scare you through the night. At least I'll try. I guess I'll try it.
Hello? I just wanted to record a message for you saying that, you should check the cameras and survive till 6 a.m. Otherwise, the animatronics will jump scare you and stuff you in a Freddy Fazbear suit. Have a good night and close the doors if absolutely necessary.
They're already closed. Well, there you go. Let's check the cameras. The heck is it? What is that? Shoot, he moved. What is that? And he's also right behind my hallway. He moved. What do I check? Roar. Roar. That's not even scary. I tried my best, okay? It's literally not your best. Yes, it is, okay? Give it all you got.